automatically create tailored tests that meet your specific requirements, saving you time and effort. Right now, creating tests manually is time-consuming. You need to carefully select questions or rely on subject matter expertise, slowing down the entire process. With AI Test Designer, you can automatically create tests tailored to your specific requirements. Simply type your requirement and choose the question types you need, like MCQs, hands-on, or both. Cross-check and confirm your selection. The AI will automatically add relevant skills for the test, and you can easily remove, add, or update these skills. Once done, click Save Test. You can rename the test, choose the test group, and proceed. You'll then be redirected to the test environment, where you can refine the test further by adding or removing questions as needed, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your goals. AI Test Designer streamlines the entire process, giving you tailored, high-quality tests in no time, without the need for subject matter expertise. Save time and simplify test creation. Start using AI Test Designer on VCP today and build tests effortlessly.